Hello, my name is Max Moreland, and in this video, I'll be going over PointMan's newest feature, the BTLE menu. BTLE stands for Bluetooth Low Energy, which is a more efficient Bluetooth connection that allows for longer usage of Bluetooth devices compared to conventional Bluetooth. This is also used for connecting to specific utility locating devices, such as Vivax or 3M. To use this, go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, select the BTLE button, and this will bring up the BTLE menu. And then select Scan. The system will bring up a list of possible devices. Once the list is brought up, select the desired devices and then select Add. This connects the device to PointMan. To make sure the connection works, select that device and then select the test button. Once the system tells you that the test is successful, select Close and then select OK. Now, in the locator dropdown, select the device type and then a second dropdown will appear. Select the desired Bluetooth device. You can now capture data with the locator as normal. Thank you and have a great day.
To learn more about PointMan, visit pointman.com. And don't worry, dig happy.